Assalamualaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Revision 1. Look, say and add more words to each group. Parts of the body: hands, nose, head, eyes, ears, teeth, lips, mouth, cheek, chin. Colors: red, green, yellow, black, white, purple, khaki, blue, orange, golden. Fruits: apple, orange, mango, grapes, papaya, banana, chiku, watermelon, custard apple, giva. Vegetables: cabbage, brinjal, pumpkin, onion, peas. Tomato, potato, lady's finger, chilies, radish. Things we use in school: pen, pencil, book, notebook, eraser, duster, chalk, compass box, TV, table, desk, bench, blackboard. Things we use at home: cup, glass, bowl, spoon, dish, cooker, cylinder, basket, pen, plate. शुक्रिया।